Now, if like me you would like to actually see the fire burning through the glass of your wood burner, then a good hack is to clean the inside of the glass. As you need to use some warm water, paper towels, and actually the remnants of any ash that you've got left from previous fire. So you simply, let's try and hold this between here, get some paper towels, pop it in the warm water, dip that in the ash, so you've got a nice coating of ash on the inside. And believe it or not, this does actually work. Let's try and sit that here. Hopefully you can see that. And then rub it. Now you can see it creates a bit of a mess initially, which will just mop up, but you can see how that's coming up really nice. So I'm just going to give it one more scrub and then give it a wipe down. You can see already it's much clearer and cleaner. There we go. Now I haven't done all the way around in the corners, but you can tell immediately that that's a hell of a lot better and a hell of a lot clearer glass. So yeah, simple hack. Just use warm water, some paper towels, and some remnant ash from your previous fire, and you'll be able to clean the inside of your wood burner glass without using any chemicals or without having to buy any other products. Have a good winter, guys.